Hello everybody, welcome back to Terraria. This time, it's episode 4, and I'm doing these both in the same day, which is something I've never done before. And I'm gonna time this video actually this time, okay, last time I didn't, so this is gonna be around 15 to 16 minutes. Let's get started. So, our last video was pretty epic. We did a lot. We killed Skeletron, and, no, I'm lying. I am not near as powerful enough. But, our house got finished. And the merchant arrived. And stuff. Let's see, wait, what else did we do? So yeah, we went all the way to the dungeon, and we summoned him, and he woke, and then he didn't kill me, but guess who did? The Dungeon Guardian. Yep. Whatever. Okay, yeah, the Dungeon Guardian killed me. You should get in your house, little turd bag. But yeah. So, we're just gonna time this video out. Hopefully it won't be too long, just like the last one. It was like 30 minutes, bro. Because lost track of time. Oh, we found a pyramid. I forgot. We found a pyramid. And we got a guarding flying carpet. And we got a bunch of heart crystals that we need to use. Woo! We only got 2! Yay! We were finding a bunch of those last episode. So, we're gonna go exploring again. Oh, wait. We found some gold and we need to make it. Okay. How much can we make? We made 10. Okay. So, let's see. I was hoping for armor. But nope. You know, actually, I'm hoping for. I need that. I need 12. Oh my gosh, GreenMelon, why did I give you my gold? I need 12. I need a golden pickaxe. So I can mine way down to the heck. I can call it hell. We gotta go down to hell and we have to build an elevator. Those slimes. You know what I'm gonna do this episode? We are going to make an awesome hotel. But it's gonna be in a tree. That's the twist. Since normal NPC hotels aren't that cool anymore, we're gonna make it in a tree. Oops. Stupid wood! This tree is dangerous. That's why I don't like working in these conditions, because trees here are freaking mean. It's poo. Okay, good. No. No. Okay, good. Up. So we're gonna make a nice hotel for our NPCs. So this will be one floor right here. This will be 2 floors. One on top, one on bottom. I don't want to waste that much stuff. Okay. No! Ah! Okay. I can be as loud as I want. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is... Why does this happen? Okay. There we go. Wait. Okay. So we're gonna work our magic here. Okay. This is a very nice house. Don't accuse me. I'm a pro builder, as you can see. Do you like my room? Do you like this room? It's gonna be 2 rooms. Because... budget. No, we gotta cut these videos up in pieces. I know it's retarded, but we have to do it. Okay, then we will do this. Okay, so now we will go down to my house. And these guys' houses, I guess, because these losers have to live here. I know. Oh yeah, in last episode we were fighting skeletons and we got a savage bone sword. There's a lot of luck in this world. A lot of luck. And apparently it's only with me. Because Sam didn't get everything. Crap, oh, shiz. He's gonna be so mad. He's gonna sue me. Oh my goodness, I'm screwed. Okay. Let me up. Okay. You know what's annoying me? Let's take this off really quick. We need to take this off. That is annoying the crap out of me. I know it's pretty sweet you can do that all and stuff, but it's pretty freaking annoying. Okay. I don't know why I made 2 doors. Just did. Okay, here's one room. Let's fix this. Oh, I know why. There we go. We're gonna make a bunch of this instead of wood because we need the wood. We don't need the cobblestone right now. Cobblestone. I just called it cobblestone. Dude, what happened? We're not buying Minecraft. Get out of here. It's just stone. You know what I want? I want to get Terraria on the computer. This looks freaking awesome. Ah! Okay. Now, we'll make some more wood. Back into wood. We'll make it back into wood. Alright. You know what we're just gonna do? We're gonna make some cool stuff. We're gonna make this. And that's all we can make. Woo! I'm so good at this game! Okay. So we got a table. Okay. A room for our NPCs. Yeah, this is gonna be a weird room to mess with. Emma the nurse! Where'd you move? Why are you up there? You idiot! You're gonna fall off and die! Can they do that? I don't know if they can. Hulk Hogan. I was just thinking of the word. This is a nice house. I bet they're gonna love it. My NPC hotel is in a tree. Woo! I love it! I should not have gave him that leaf on the GreenMelon because I could have used it. One, two, three, four. Okay, good. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. Okay, now what we're gonna do is make more stuff. Whee! Yeah, and yeah. Call this guy yeah. Call you doo-doo. Call him macaroni head. Just because his head looks like macaroni. I was born with it, okay? Then who moved into here? Why isn't anybody moving in here? This is a perfectly good house. And that horrible house I just made, you want to move into that one? Whatever. It's already been 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes already, boy. I didn't even notice. What's up? Do you know what? Dahlgrim? I love bombs. Especially I love bombs, though. I'm not gonna buy any right now. So, let's continue our adventure. Not pole dancing on the table. Not dancing on the table. That's right. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do is make one more floor. We're gonna make another floor. This music is so weird. It's like a dubstep remix of crap. I just did it again! I need the gunman to spawn. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get the gun guy. Gun guy. There you go. Nice, get in your house. Before I beat you up. Maybe we can make a little house over here. We'll make 2 houses on each branch. Okay. Are you hitting at me? The blood moon is rising. Something I haven't seen in a while. Actually, we've never had a blood moon. The first blood moon! Yay! Finally. First of all, we need to get rid of these stupid lights. Okay. So, this is a nice house, right? I love it. No, this one's gonna be more better. What do you think you're doing up there, punk? Okay. Okay. Wait, what am I? Wait. Okay. I wish I could diddly sponge, because then we could actually. I forgot that when it rains and there's a blood moon, it's raining blood. Raining blood. Okay, wait. What am I doing? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna end this video in a minute. Okay. We're just gonna finish this room, and then we will end it. Probably be about 16, 17, 20 minutes long. Yeah, because I can count. I go to school. I learn words grammar. I'm good man grammar, yeah. So, what we're gonna do is gonna make this look like the beautifulest thing that you've ever beautified on. And beautiful is beautiful, as you know. Ay. Okay. We need to go get 2 doors. Wait, but first we need to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. That's nice. I like that. Okay. So now, what we're gonna do is go get Zors. Okay. What the heck? Okay, wait. Aha! Again? Bam! 2 more things. 2 more things. Did you stop? Thank you. Okay, so I'm thinking of something. I don't think you can put things on here. So we're gonna have to erase it. That's right, we're erasing it, not breaking it, we're erasing it. You wanna know why we're erasing it? Because we're pros. And pros erase things. Okay, wait. Chew. Wait, no, that'll work. Wait. Ah, done! I wonder who's gonna move in. Yay! Our world is successful. We got a nice tree house. We got a weird hole. And we got a cave. Okay. Everything is going great. Mario! Mario! He needs to settle down with us, man. Dang Mario. Damn Mario. I love Mario. Mario's my game, man. Mario, my favorite game. Don't you just love Mario? I love Mario. Mario is nice. Mario is real nice. You know who else you like? Mario! We need to say hi with Mario. Hello! Mario! I'm Toad. Hello! Toad! Hi, Mario! Whoa! When did you come up with so many paintings? Something tells me I'm gonna put this in your room. Yeah. Why can't I do that? Oh, it's probably like a wall. Okay, I'm not gonna put it in your room, but you know what I will put in your room? Wait a minute. Mario, tell me! I'll put this room! Oh, screw you, Mario! Goodbye! I'm gonna go steal Princess! Okay! Bye! Hello! Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and Toad, get over here. Hello! Hey! Yeah, I hope you enjoyed! Yeah, good job. Okay, so I hope... Ah! Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and, Toad, say goodbye. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and, I'll see you all later.